Yo, what up, guys? Just broke 3 of the boxes from the Indiana Jones case. Alright, pulled an autograph, 2 sketch cards. 5 boxes left, but I get kind of tired of doing that. I might finish it later. Decided to do the updates and highlights. Something different besides Indiana Jones. Something actually kind of worth something to me. So, a lot of packs. Trying to get through this quickly. Oh yeah, box topper. Forgot about that. Be careful. I'm trying to be careful with this. Let me try and do this. Alright, that worked. Use my... Alright, now I gotta go even faster. Evan Longoria, baby. Rookie refractor. Look at that. Craziness today, man. Alright. Let's go ahead and get started with this. One autograph for memorabilia, I believe. I will not go through all these because there's a ton of crap besides inserts and stuff. Alright. Dang. More freaking inserts in our base. Feels like there's a hit in every freaking pack. I'll name out the better inserts and numbered. Got a Ring of Honor of Orlando Cepeda. I like these packs, they're really easy to open. Got some rookies finally, Joe Mather and Matt Joyce. I can get autographed. I actually really like this product. I broke a couple blasters. Of course, it's retail, so nothing big. I don't think I got a jersey out of one of them. Got Liam Henry Harrison. Keep all of them together. Still a nice box topper, though. Manuel Burris, Osprey, PC, Nick Aidenhart. That's so sad, though. Clayton Kershaw, rookie. Monty Urban, Ring of Honor. Honestly, think Topps Upper Deck should have made like a memorial set or something for Nick Aidenhart, because that was just really sad to me. Mika Hoffpower, rookie. Got a Manny Ramirez All-Star Insert Gold out of 2008. Also got a Harry Truman. Got all the good ones up here. Gotta go a lot quicker if I don't want to get into a part 2. Oh crap. Silk collection, but not a very good one. 41 of 50, Mark Hendrickson, that's cool. Taylor T. Arden Gold rookie, that's cool. Jeez. Feeling really good today. I wish he could have been a better player still. Not gonna argue with that. Hopefully that doesn't count as my hit though. Finally a pack that doesn't want to open. That's cool though. Can't argue with that. Justin Masterson rookie. Travis Denker rookie, and John Lear gold. And if you guys didn't see, Joe Montana auto, really sick. I was hoping for a hot box. Paul Giannis rookie. Josh Banks gold rookie. Damage though. That sucks. I have a huge base set if they have a Yamid Hod base. Most people don't know who he is, but okay. Jed Lowry rookie. Oh, sick! Jay Bruce gold rookie. That's cool. Got it. Rick and Keel insert. That's cool. I'm not sure how much that bugs considering it's only updates and highlights, but it's cool. All-Star, sweet. Didn't replace my jersey. All-Star Game, Stitches, Carlos Zambrano. I thought that was one of those patches. I was like, oh crap. Jeez. Some of these cards are damaged. I don't know, I'm probably not going to sell most of them, so. Oh, cool. Manual insert. I need a lot of those out of tops. Got Alberto Gonzalez, Jeff Neiman rookie, that's PC. That Enzo Longoria is probably PC if I don't sell it, because I really need the money. I'm hoping for a hot box. Got a rookie, Chris Carter. Pedro Martinez. Insert. Got that razor cut stuff next to it. Looks really sick. Looks like some really sick crap. Still got the rest in my case of the Indiana Jones to do, so still a lot of breaking, which is never a bad thing. Got a Mickey Mantle insert. All the other inserts. Dave Borkowski gold. Got cool Chris Davis rookie gold. Or copper, I don't even know what that is. It's cool though, at least it's a better rookie. This one has some extra cards. Now Alex Hinshaw rookie. Coach Kepugudame. That rookie was up at the beginning of, or at the release of last year. Assuming it's gone down a little bit. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to grab another box of this stuff. It looks pretty good. Max Scherzer, that's PC. Miguel Tejada gold start insert. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this done in 2 minutes, so but I'll try my best. Got a Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Weird insert. Baseball theme song. Brandon Webb. I remember the retail. Even the retail of this stuff was actually pretty good. Yeah, guys, after this pack, I'm going to come back and do part 2. Chris Volstagg. Gold rookie. Alright, see ya. Come back.